जब थकते नहीं कदम, जब रुकते नहीं कदम, तभी मिलती है मंजिल हमें। वेलकम जय हिंद डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स। इस बात को सच कर दिखाया है हमारे ही एक स्टूडेंट ने, जिन्होंने रिसेंटली ही NDA 150 कोर्स के लिए अपना रिकमेंडेशन प्राप्त किया है अपने सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट में फ्रॉम 12 SSB बैंगलोर। यस, मैं बात कर रही हूँ प्रिंस सोनी की, जिन्होंने हाल ही में अपना रिकमेंडेशन प्राप्त किया है और उन्होंने ये प्रूफ किया है किस तरह से हम कंसिस्टेंटली मेहनत करके अपने गोल को अचीव कर सकते हैं। तो आइए देखते हैं इस वीडियो में उनके कुछ PPNDT के सेशंस, देखते हैं किस तरह से उन्होंने अपनी डिटर्मिनेशन और अपने फोकस से अपने इस रिकमेंडेशन को प्राप्त किया और साथ ही में किस तरह से सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी की एक्सपर्ट गाइडेंस के थ्रू और एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टीज से इम्प्रूव करके उन्होंने अपने इस रिकमेंडेशन को प्राप्त किया।
Gentlemen, in the given picture, I perceived a crowd and 3 elephants. The action of my story is honoring the brave heart. After the in a Air Force standoff with the Pakistan Army, Wing Commander Abhinandan got by mistake fall into the Pakistan territory and caught by the Army of Pakistan. But due to political negotiation and pressure, Pakistan have to leave Wing Commander. So in this occasion, the city authorities and the people decided to honor the brave heart. The city got well decorated and the rallies were conducted by the army, elephants and the lions as a sign of bravery. In return, Wing Commander also gave the motivated speech to youth to never give up and take decisions wisely and quickly. After the honoring ceremony and this speech, the ceremony ends very well and it motivated the youth so much. Thank you.
Which can be religious ceremony or because the image was very clear that there was no yes. Because there was no sign of any shock and all. So it can be very better that we can keep the theme of religious ceremony or any ordinary ceremony.
And they were also not there any banners or any signs.
By these things we can also show that we are able to care animals.
But for awareness you need.
We are aware of the duty which we performed by all defense background. We can create the idea that we care about animals also. We can have the idea that the ceremony was held just to address the importance of the elephants, and as they are being posed and their teeth and all they are being sold in the market. So we can keep that theme which is very informative and it is very it's kind of awareness idea.
Gentlemen, in the story I perceived 3 characters. They all are male and they all are in positive mood. The central character of my story is Rohan, who is a student of 18-year-old. The action of the story is saving birds. Rohan, 18-year-old student of Jai Academy. In the morning assembly, he heard during the news session that about the condition of bird during the summer season. So when he reached home, he planned to create a space for the birds on his rooftop so that he can provide water and food supply. Currently, his house was under construction. So he, with his brother and one labor, they all constructed a bird house with adequate food and water supply. He also raised this issue. He also posted this issue on the social media to create such more spaces for the birds. And this way, his effort was successful. Thank you. Gentlemen, in the given story, I perceived 8 characters, out of which 4 are males, 4 are females. The overall mood is positive, and the age category is 25 to 30. The main character of my story is Ramesh, who is 25-year-old. Ramesh, 25-year-old, pursuing BSc from Bundelkhand University. In his village, he observed that there is a slightly difference in the opinion of the communities, Hindus and Muslim, based on their personal laws. So he assisted Sarpanch to organize a panchayat. In the panchayat, he addressed about the pros and cons of the various personal laws. He also told them about the uniform civil code and the importance of it, and told to establish a sense of fraternity among them. He tactfully convinced both the communities and was successful in establishing peace and harmony. It laid very positive impact, and people started inviting each other on their festivals. A Muslim community, a Muslim family come to Ramesh house and also thanked him and invited his family for a dinner. Thank you. Gentlemen, in the given story, I perceive two characters, both are male, in the age category of 20 to 24. The action of my story is opening a startup. Raman, 24, has successfully completed his hotel management course, and being expert in Chinese and Italian foods, he planned to open a cafe of his own. He discussed it with his family, and with their consent, applied for Mudra loan to start his business. He also took help from his architecture friend in designing like the seatings, the floors, as well as the wall designings, so that and also share the idea, which were very unique. After 2 months, the cafe was inaugurated, and the taste of the food and the reasonable price became the talk of the city. Thank you.
For us to carry a luggage bag.
And he was also wearing a
You can do a geological survey over there. Because land was abandoned.
Because it can
the basic things are discussed. Let's discuss the theme first.
It can be a geological survey, I guess. But for the abandoned place.
No, I think that the scene was more of a illustration because if he has a bag that
I don't think it was not a reason.
How about the theme of opening a startup and opening a cafe?
Yes, I agree.
I don't think so.